Hello everyone, I very pleasure to watching my channel GoldX. My channel is educational channel. The life of a trader should be legal, and due to the short time and life, I gave up on this channel more than 10 times, and maybe this idea was in my mind since last year. My only goal, if I can continue, is to teach one of the most difficult symbols in 5 minutes, so that I can express all the things I am researching in a simple language and with my limited perspective to challenge myself, and at the same time I will continue my training and growth. Without any other additions, we go directly to the lesson and introduction. It should be noted that people who start watching my channel must know the basic concepts and start doing the necessary research and exercises step by step with the videos. Well, we talk about market types in simple language. 1. Stock market. 2. Goods market. 3. Digital currency. 4. Forex. This market consists of different countries and big banks and financial and credit institutions and commercial companies from all over the world. Gold symbol. We have entered a commodity market. Yes, a real commodity, with the difference that we have no interference in the forex platform, like a drop of water in the sea. The smallest transactions in this market start from 100 Ns. In the gold chart, the main commodity is traded, which start from Sydney, Australia, reaches Tokyo, Hong Kong, and even Beijing in China, the Dubai, and the Moscow. At the beginning of 9 o'clock, Germany and France will arrive from Europe, and after Italy it will arrive in London at the beginning of 10 o'clock, and then the market will move to New York and California until the market ends. This entry and exit program can be seen on this site or same sites. We trade in this market with the permission of the main capitalists in order to predict the direction of the market movement, which practically we have no influence on the market. After this short introduction, I will add that we will need to know the chart in terms of candlestick or price action style. In the symbol of gold, during Asia, Japan, and in Europe, London, and finally New York, we consider it important that trading in each of them will require its own knowledge and style. In global markets, every symbol in forex and digital currency has its own behavior. Even every time frame in that symbol is different from other time frames of that symbol. So generally we only do short-term trades in the gold symbol and in the 5-minute time frame. People who are looking for low volatility or want a certain time trade in Asia, and people who are professionals in the market and want high profits will appear on the chart with the arrival of New York, but the most logical market with good profits and acceptable volatility, it's London time. Many traders have succeeded in using and profiting from a certain style, and they may teach it,
But the problem is not the style of these professors,
but in the first stage, their understanding and psychological vision towards the market is their comfort in one or more special symbols in the world of forex
or the crypto market, that too in one or more fixed time frames specific to their style. So any style is not suitable for any other symbol or time frame. For example, this gold is not similar to any other symbol due to its own fluctuations and the behavior and personality of this symbol, or the time of 5 minutes. It's not very similar to other times. For example, in the time of 1 minute, it has its own behavior and pattern. Here we only use moving average indicators, and that's it.